Glipizide-Metformin is a medication used to control high blood sugar in patients with type 2 diabetes. It is a combination of two drugs, glipizide and metformin. Glipizide stimulates the release of natural insulin and decreases the amount of sugar produced by the liver, while metformin works by decreasing the amount of sugar produced by the liver and absorbed by the stomach/intestines. This medication helps restore the body's proper response to insulin and prevents kidney damage, blindness, nerve problems, loss of limbs, and sexual function problems. Proper control of diabetes may also lessen the risk of a heart attack or stroke. The dosage and timing of taking this medication should be determined by a healthcare professional. Before you start taking Glipizide-Metformin, make sure to read the patient information leaflet provided by your pharmacist. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask your doctor or pharmacist. Take this medication by mouth as directed by your doctor, usually once or twice a day with meals. It's important to drink plenty of fluids while taking this medication unless your doctor instructs otherwise. The dosage of Glipizide-Metformin is based on your medical condition, response to treatment, and other medications you may be taking. Be sure to inform your doctor and pharmacist about all the products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. Your doctor may start you on a low dose and gradually increase it to reduce the risk of side effects. If you are already taking another diabetes drug, follow your doctor's directions carefully for stopping the old drug and starting Glipizide-Metformin. If you are taking Colsevelam, make sure to take this product at least 4 hours before taking Colsevelam. It's important to use this medication regularly at the same time each day in order to get the most benefit from it. Remember, it may take up to 2 weeks before the full benefit of this drug takes effect. If your condition persists or worsens, such as having high or low blood sugar, make sure to inform your doctor. If you experience nausea, diarrhea, stomach upset, muscle aches, or headaches, make sure to tell your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to remember that the benefits of this medication outweigh the potential side effects for most people. However, you should contact your doctor if you experience severe stomach pain, yellowing of the eyes or skin, or signs of infection. It's also important to be aware of the possibility of low blood sugar, especially if you take other diabetes medications, drink alcohol, or engage in heavy exercise. Symptoms of low blood sugar include sweating, blurred vision, dizziness, and shaking. If you experience these symptoms, it's recommended to have glucose tablets or gel on hand to treat the low blood sugar. Make sure to eat regular meals and not skip any, and consult your doctor or pharmacist if you miss a meal. On the other hand, symptoms of high blood sugar include increased thirst and urination, and you should contact your doctor if these symptoms occur. Additionally, if you experience a serious allergic reaction such as a rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, seek medical help immediately. Keep in mind that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice anything unusual, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. If too much metformin builds up in your body, it can lead to a serious condition called lactic acidosis, which can be fatal. This is more likely to occur in older adults, or those with kidney or liver disease, dehydration, heart failure, heavy alcohol use, if you have had surgery, or if you have had X-ray or scanning procedures that use iodinated contrast, or if you are using certain drugs. Your doctor may advise you to temporarily stop taking this medication for certain conditions. If you experience symptoms such as unusual tiredness, dizziness, severe drowsiness, chills, blue or cold skin, muscle pain, fast or difficult breathing, slow or irregular heartbeat, or stomach pain with nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea, stop taking this medication and seek medical help immediately. Before taking Glipizide-Metformin, make sure to tell your doctor about any allergies you have, as well as your medical history. This includes alcohol use, breathing problems, blood disorders, electrolyte imbalances, fertility issues, kidney disease, and hormonal conditions. Also, let your doctor know if you're going to have surgery or any X-ray or scanning procedures using iodinated contrast. It's important to limit your alcohol intake while taking this medication, and be aware that it may make you more sensitive to the sun. If you're an older adult, you may be at a greater risk for certain side effects. And if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, speak with your doctor about the potential risks and benefits of taking this medication. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions when taking Glipizide-Metformin. Different medications can affect how glipizide-metformin works and may increase the risk of serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Before starting, stopping, or changing any medication, it's important to talk to your healthcare provider about how it may impact your blood sugar levels. Regularly check your blood sugar as directed and share the results with your doctor. If you experience symptoms of high or low blood sugar, notify your doctor right away. Additionally, be aware that certain medications like beta blockers may mask the usual symptoms of low blood sugar. Always check the labels on non-prescription or herbal products, as they may contain ingredients that can affect your blood sugar. Always consult with your doctor or pharmacist before using these products. If someone has taken too much glipizide-metformin and is experiencing serious symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. Overdosing on glipizide-metformin can lead to lactic acidosis and low blood sugar, which may cause symptoms such as rapid breathing, severe drowsiness, and a slow or irregular heartbeat. If you or someone you know is experiencing these symptoms, seek help right away. It's important to attend a diabetes education program to learn how to manage diabetes with medications, diet, exercise, and regular medical exams. You should also learn the symptoms of high and low blood sugar and how to treat low blood sugar. Check your blood sugar regularly and share the results with your doctor. Before starting and while taking this medication, you should have lab and/or medical tests done, such as kidney function, liver function, blood sugar, hemoglobin A1C, and complete blood counts. Make sure to keep all medical and lab appointments and consult your doctor for more details. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and take the next dose at your regular time. Do not take a double dose to make up for the missed one. It's important to store glipizide-metformin at room temperature, away from light and moisture. Make sure to keep it in a safe place where children and pets can't access it. When it's time to discard the medication, don't flush it down the toilet or pour it into the drain unless specifically told to do so. Instead, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the proper way to dispose of it when it's expired or no longer needed. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.